In any long-term relationship, it's easy to fall into routines and start taking each other for granted. The grand cinematic gestures are exciting, but lasting love is often built in the small, quiet moments. It's built on the tiny, consistent actions that make your partner feel truly seen, valued, and understood. Feeling seen isn't just about being looked at. It's about the feeling of being recognized and accepted for exactly who you are. Lasting connection doesn't always come from big, dramatic displays of affection. More often, it's the small, everyday habits that strengthen your bond and increase emotional security. We're going to explore 7 tiny habits that can make a huge difference in how connected and appreciated she feels. One of the most powerful ways to make someone feel seen is to actively listen. This means when she's talking, you put your phone down, turn away from the TV, and give her your undivided attention. Active listening isn't just about hearing words. It's about showing you're engaged by nodding, making eye contact, and offering small verbal cues like "I see" or "go on." This simple act communicates that what she has to say matters more than any distraction. Do you remember her favorite coffee order, a funny story she told you about her childhood, or the name of her work project that's been stressing her out? Remembering small details shows that you pay attention and that you care enough to file those facts away. Bringing up something she mentioned in passing proves you're not just hearing her, but you're carrying her experiences with you. It's a powerful way to say, "I value you and your world." General compliments are nice, but specific ones are far more impactful. Instead of saying, "You look nice," try something like, "I love that color on you. It really makes your eyes pop." Or, "I was so impressed with how you handled that difficult situation at work." Acknowledging specific actions or qualities shows that you are paying close attention. These kinds of compliments make a person feel truly seen and appreciated for who they are and what they do. A simple text in the middle of a busy day can work wonders. A message like, "Thinking of you," "Good luck with your presentation," or an inside joke is a low-effort way to maintain a strong emotional connection even when you're apart. It's a small deposit into what relationship expert Dr. John Gottman calls the emotional bank account, reinforcing that she is on your mind. Life isn't just about big promotions and major milestones. It's also about finishing a tough workout, completing a project, or finally fixing that leaky faucet. When you celebrate these small victories with her, you show that you're a team. Being her biggest cheerleader for accomplishments, big and small, fosters mutual respect and shows you're invested in her happiness and growth. Physical affection isn't always about grand romance. It's often about connection. A hand on her back as you walk by, a quick squeeze of her shoulder, playing with her hair while you watch a movie, or holding her hand are all small gestures that increase feelings of closeness. This kind of non-demanding touch reinforces affection and security, reminding her that you're there and you care. Small, thoughtful actions can speak volumes. Filling up her water bottle before she leaves for the gym, taking out the trash because you know she hates doing it, or making her a cup of tea after a long day are all simple ways to show you're thinking of her. These gestures communicate, "I'm looking out for you," and can make her feel deeply cared for and supported. As you can see, making your partner feel seen doesn't require a lot of money or elaborate plans. It's about being present, paying attention, and making small, consistent efforts every day. These tiny habits build a strong foundation of trust, intimacy, and a love that lasts.